Vivado. In Kalki Puran, if we follow the different kinds of man, we understand that the rich man will be cooling. The man who have no wealth, he is poor, but he is honest. That honest man is not honest in this world. Who has more wealth, he is honest. Honest. Will be able to obey to the man. Man think who has wealth, he is honest in this Kali Yuga, according to the Kalki Puran. And the wealth, the poor man will be not worshipped. The poor man will be not respected. If that poor man is honest man, sadhu man, he will be not respected. Respect will be that man who is rich. Respect will be that man who is wealthy. But the honest man, if he is poor, he will be not respect. Respect for the reason we see in Kali Yuga, Sannasi no grihasaktaha, grihastataha vivekino ho, guru ninda para dharmo, dhojina sadhu vanchakaha. Sannasi na grihasaktaha, grihastataha vivekino ho, guru ninda para dharmo, dhojina sadhu vanchakaha. That sannyasi will be house affected, and the house affected man will be vivekin, and the people will be rebuked. He will rebuke to his guru. And all the honest man will be destroyed. They will be not able to take their original praise, original respect. Sannasino grihasaktaha, grihastakta vivekinaha, guru ninda para dharmo, dhojina sadhu vanchakaha. Next, if we follow the Kalki Puran, we understand that pratigroha rata sudraha, paraso paranaha daraha, dayo sikaro muddaho, Sate Maitri Vadannataha, Pratigroho Rata Sudraha, Parasa Haranadaraha. The man will be pleased to take others' wealth, They will be pleased to take all the wealth of other, and marriage will be marriage. In the state of marriage, in the sight of marriage, according to this Kalki Puran. If the Patra and Patri agreed, that was married. If Patra agreed with Patris and Patris agreed with Patros, that was married. There are no other functions.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
there is no need to order of their parents. If we follow the Kalki Purana, first of that, we understand that the marriage will be arranged with the agree of Patru and Patri.